Alright, welcome guys. This is Yunus Khan and I just created this channel, new channel. I don't know how many you are watching and how people are gonna watch this channel, but I think that maybe I had tried a lot of things, so why not try another one? So this channel is what you can see that named as YPK Org, and I also have a GitHub account on that. That is literally github.com/YPK Org, and if you go there you will see some these kind of documentations, or you can say articles. So these are things that I'm writing. So what will be YPK Org? So YPK Org will contain some of the coding videos, some JavaScripting videos, whatever I like, not whatever I do in coding, but some things that I might like, that I might think that maybe I can put out there in the internet. I have enough expertise to put there in the internet. Also, I believe that I don't have to have enough expertise in any topic to put out that in the internet. I'm consistently learning, as probably many of you are. So it's just a journey of learning, no judgment, and I am probably not the best. I'm not probably perfect. No one is the best, but I'm not probably perfect. But what I know is I do give damn effort on learning. So not everything that I learn will be here, but some of the things that I would think that yeah, this can be put out there in the internet, I will put it. So enough talking, let's see what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I'm just writing this blog right over here that you just saw there, this one. Okay, so this is the dark mode, because that is okay, new profile, and here you can see, not that, here you can see this thing. This is in the white mode. So okay, I don't know what you would like, but okay, I'm gonna use the white mode. I'm gonna zoom it a little bit. Okay, that's perfect. So this is documentation that I'm writing. I actually finished it writing. I don't know if I should add something else or not. So we're gonna see what I have written till now, and I'm also gonna show you behind the scenes, so how I do write. So this is my, so these are the three apps that I have currently on. This is a terminal, simply, that's doing nothing. I just went to the path and then just started VS Code. Nothing I really did here. Then I have this Chrome opened up here, that is literally opening the GitHub, and then that organization that I just mentioned in the article, and this is VS Code when I am coding all that. I gonna say that it is coding, because yeah, definitely it's coding. It's MD file, that's markdown. So here you can see markdown. So I'm coding in markdown file. You probably know about this. If you don't, you should know about what markdown files are. So I'm coding in markdown files, and here I am getting a preview of that markdown, and here's the code. So if I cut it, close it, then you can see this is the code. And how do I toggle the preview? I go here in the file, and then I right click and open preview. So I open preview, and then I drag it over there until this thing comes in. Okay, this thing comes in, and I just leave it over here, and now this is the preview and this is the code. So now I'm going to show you what I actually coded till now. Okay, so this okay, I'm also not very professional in coding in MD files. I'm just learning, and while learning I'm also writing these blogs. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna see this hashtag. Okay, I think I should just increase the size a little bit. Okay, no, okay, this is perfect. So okay, so this has, you are saying this has means that this is the heading. This is the biggest heading. So the H1, you can say this is the H1, and then if you put 3 hatches like here, this is like H3. So okay, let's okay, I'm not gonna go too much in the details. Maybe we're gonna cover that later, but right now I'm gonna just read out. I'm just gonna see that if everything is all right in this article or not. Some of the sentences are really complex, so I'm gonna break those down. I'm gonna try to make it more simple, clear, and to the point. So let's see how the article has gone so far. Okay. Till now I have already made some changes since the last commit, so yeah, I'm gonna do some more changes and then I'm gonna push this. Okay, so slice is a method in JavaScript that works with arrays. It essentially returns some elements from a parent array to a very new array. That means it returns an array. Okay. Now, what that array would contain is a matter of what parameters this method is given. We'll discuss its methodologies, syntax, and use cases below in this article. So this was the introduction. Okay. Now I gave a dictionary. So you can see in the preview, I gave it a dictionary that says some sentences and terminologies that people from outside India probably don't know. So here's Rajya. Rajya means state. Okay, to literally say it properly in my accent or in Indian accent, it's Rajya. Rajya. In Bengali accent, it's Rajyo. So yeah, I call it Rajya. So Rajya means state, and this is not React state or any state that is related to coding. It is a centralized political organization under a nation that imposes rules over a certain geography. That means if you live in the United States, that's basically California, New York, Texas. So these are the states. It is not related to programming. So Rajya means state, a political state. Okay. And Rajyas, it's basically the plural form of Rajya. It can also be written as Rajya and then S in the parentheses, in the brackets. Okay. Now there are some other terms, that's UP, WP, PB, BR, JH, DL. These are just code names of some states in the Republic of India. That's also called Bharat. Okay, now the syntax. Let's say we have an array named Rajyas as const songs this. Okay. Oh ho ho, I wrote that songs. It's not songs. Come on. You see, that's what I'm doing. I'm just revising everything, that if everything is right or not. So it's gonna be Rajyas. Okay. Const Rajyas UPWBPV VHDL. Okay. Now the syntax of using slice method to fetch. Okay. The syntax of using slice method to fetching it's gonna be fetch. Okay. Oh, fetch, to fetch some data. Okay, I cannot edit from here. So method to fetch some data out of. Okay, now the syntax of using slice method to fetch some data out and put it in a new array would be const new array equals to songs.slice start comma end. Okay, the new array being the new array, the new array being the new array. Okay, so I should put a comma there. New array will contain some data extracted, copied from songs. Okay, it's not songs, it's Rajyas. Okay, from Rajyas. The slice method accepts two number type parameters. The slice method accepts two number type parameters. Okay, two parameters that are numbers, maybe. Okay, two number type number. Okay. Okay, what if I put number in a block? that would be better. Okay, because number here represents a data type in JavaScript. Okay, method that accepts two number type. Okay, what if I also put type inside this block? Why not? Okay, two number type parameters. Okay, that is better. Number type parameters, these numbers are indexes of the parent array. The new array starts from the element. Okay, this is a very complex sentence. Now these numbers are indexes of the parent array. Okay, that's normal. The new array starts from the element that is in the parent array's that index that is provided as the first parameter in the slice method. Okay, the new array starts from the element that is in the parent array's that index that is provided as the first parameter in the slice method. Okay, I think this is understandable to some extent. Okay, if you cannot understand this, you have to slowly read it and just connect the dots. Okay, it's a complex sentence, and it was very more complex than this, and I just changed the sentence. Okay, and then comma, and I say and will contain all the elements up to the index that is provided as the second parameter. This second portion of this sentence is comparatively easier or simpler. Okay, now I'm gonna show what it was before like change. So in the last commit, so yeah, you're gonna see songs over here. Okay, so that was okay. The accepts two number type parameters. The number index is mentioned array. So the parent array, I changed it to, and I here said parent array, but before I wrote mentioned array. That is sounding very inappropriate. That's why I changed, and I said parent array. Okay, I wrote. I not said, I wrote. I'm saying right now. Okay. So the new array starts from, okay, this is the complex sentence now here. The new array starts from the index of mentioned array's index of the number that is provided as the first parameter in the slice method, and will contain all the elements up to the index that is provided as the second parameter. I don't know if you do understand this or not, but I freaking not. I don't know how I wrote it, but I cannot understand this. That's why I just changed it to a little bit of simpler to the side, but it's still very complex sentence, and this is the problem with my English. I write very complex sentences. So this is an area for me to work on, and that's why I'm writing articles. That's why I'm writing. That's why I'm practicing. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we already have read it to this point. Now let's see. I provided a note, and that note says it is important to remember that the index. Okay, did I? No. Okay. It is important to remember that the index in the second parameter will not be contained in the new array. The element that is one index behind will contain in the new array. That is literally what up to means. Now in this note also I had written something else. That is okay. Here you can see. Okay, why is it okay? Should I put a break over there? Okay, can I do this? Okay, just splits out it. Why not this then? Okay, this is better. Okay, so yeah. So here I wrote, it is important second parameter will contain a new array. Okay, that was same. Now watch this one. The one element behind that index will contain in the new array. What is this sentence, man? The one element behind that index will contain in the array. I don't know whether I'm writing English or Bengali here. The new element, oh sorry, the one element behind that index will contain. Okay, so here the keyword that means the second parameter over here. Okay, the second parameter. Okay, So the one element behind that index, so that index means second parameter, so one element behind the second parameter will contain in the new array. Okay, but this is literally really complex sentence. If this wasn't a part of context, then this sentence wouldn't have any meaning to, like, any meaning at all. So yeah, this is really bad. Okay, so I just changed it, and I said the element that is one index behind will contain in the new array. The element that is one index behind, okay, why not I mention it? Index behind, one index behind. Okay, one index behind, where is that? One index behind of the second parameter parameter provided to the slice method. The element that is one index behind of the second parameter provided to the slice method will contain in the new array. This is literally what up to means. Okay, so I wrote it extendedly, which I didn't need to, but okay, it's okay. Use cases. Alright, so now that we already discussed the syntax and technicality of this method, now let's try to understand the use cases of it. Let's assume that the array that we had declared is actually from any sort of survey that resulted those states from top ranking to lower ones. Okay, that means Rajya UP is in the top ranking of that list, and the Rajya DL is in the last. Okay, why did I put Rajya inside a box? I don't need to. So let's put the Rajya out, and I will say Rajya like the state Rajya. No, I don't need to. I can leave it like that. Okay, that means the Rajya UP is in the top ranking of the list, and the Rajya DL is in the last. Now let's say we need only the top 3 from this list and not the others. Okay, so to fulfill this requirement, we can write some code. Okay, now let's say we need only the top 3 from this list and not the others. Top 3 from that list and not the others in the new array. Okay, in the new array. So to fulfill this requirement, we can write some code that we will see. But first, let's map the Rajyas. Okay, again I had put a block around Rajyas, so put the Rajyas to their index numbers for our better understanding. So here, why I didn't put Rajyas inside a block, because I'm actually meaning the word Rajyas or states. I'm not meaning the array Rajyas. So whenever the Rajyas keyword is in a block, that means that array or something that is in our code. So I'm literally meaning the word, and I'm putting forcefully this word to English, and I'm calling it I'm calling it Bharatiya English. That what I actually mentioned in the code. Okay, I'm getting a call, but I'm gonna send a message. Okay, I'm gonna cut. Okay, not a problem. Okay, let's finish this. Okay, but let's first map the Rajyas to their index numbers for better understanding. Okay, so here's a new box. Okay, let me just text it. Just a second. Very sorry for this. Okay, now seeing the array Rajyas, we can clearly say that element UP belongs to 0, index 0, and then so on and so forth. Okay, now we will see how we can fulfill our discussed requirements. Now we will see how we can fulfill our discussed requirements. Const top 3 anchor. So this is a new uh, array that I'm creating or declaring, whatever. Wait a second. All right. So now here's the elaboration. what's my accent? Elaboration. Okay. Our requirements were that we wanted the top 3 placeholders in the new array. We declared a new array, top 3 rankers, and assigned that to slice method applied to Rajya's array. In the parameters of the slice method, okay, wherever there is slice, the slice should have this parenthesis as well, the brackets. Okay, slice, here is another slice. Okay, assigned that to slice method applied to Raj's array. In the parameters of the slice method, we provided the first index 0 and the fourth index 3. We particularly put fourth index because we want all elements up to the fourth place, but not including the fourth, and the slice method exactly works like this. It does not give you the element that is in the second parameter's index. I hope this article made the concepts clear. Okay, so I should add some more sentences to that. It does not gives you the element that is in the second parameter's index, rather it gives you the one element behind the one okay, gives you the element that is just behind the index that is passed behind the index that is passed in the slice method. Now it is very clear. I hope this article made the concepts clear. Okay, I don't think anything else I need to put here. I'm gonna see that if I have any more mistakes related to that songs. Okay, I still have somewhere this songs.slice new array in the new array I have songs.slice. okay, so I'm gonna change this to rajesh.slice. Again, search for songs and there's no songs more. Is there any song? No results. Okay, now I'm gonna save everything and I'm gonna now push it up. Git add git commit finishing touch and a lot of corrections. Viewers from YouTube are saying hello. Okay, get push origin. Okay, we successfully pushed it and now everything should be okay. Rajesh and everything is up to date now. It's just now. Okay, everything is up to date. And this article, you can check this article in the github.com/ypkorg/slice dash method slash in okay, dash in dash js. I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I do support I do appreciate your time and whatever. Just thank you, thank you very much, thank you very much. And that's it. Let me just go and call back the person who called me, and do like, share, comment, subscribe, and thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.